What's up, guys? It's Frank, and this is Bad Bird Garage. So, it's been a little while, but we got the Bad Bird in the shop today. One thing that I noticed recently when we were driving is the fact that the rear is not as high as it used to be. So, I noticed that the springs seem to be sagging. So I reached out to our friends over at Rubicon Express, and they went ahead and sent us some new rear springs. So, I decided to go with 3.5-inch lift springs in the rear. And since they use the same shocks as a 2.5-inch lift kit, it's not really going to make a difference. So we're just going to go ahead and swap out these rear springs and see if that takes care of our little squatting look. It could be because I did add a bunch of weight to the back of the Jeep with the steel bumper and the steel tire carrier, and this hard top does weigh a little bit more than a regular factory top. But needless to say, we're going to get some new springs on here, and hopefully that takes care of our squatting issue. So here we go. All right, guys, that was pretty easy. Nice, easy spring swap. All we had to do was unbolt the track bar, and then the rear sway bar end links and the rear shocks. Everything was able to be taken out pretty quickly. And then to get it back in, you talk to your good buddy Pete. Say hi, Pete.
What's up, guys?
Pete weighs how much?
280.
280. So you need at least a 280-pound friend to stand on the end of the axle to push it down so you can get the spring in. But it did take care of the sag. They will settle in a little bit after, after driving for a little bit, but I mean, it looks a lot better than it did. And I just took it for a drive. There's really no difference in ride quality, and I still love it. So there we go. And that's basically it, guys. Nice easy project for the day. So now, because I have Pete here and we have his Jeep here as well, we have to take a little trip. So I have been teasing on Instagram just a little project that's upcoming with one 1976 Corvette. So got a phone call today from MCRP and they're ready for my car. So we will be taking our beautiful baby right here, and we'll be taking with us in Pete's Jeep, that right there, our beautiful pipes exhaust system. And not only that, but they're also going to be doing the heads, they're going to be doing a cam, it's going to have a hydraulic roller conversion done to it. So we got a lot of fun stuff coming up. But until next time, we'll see you guys out there.